Hey guys, so I'm having this purple slime and I thought it was a bit boring because, to be honest, I love purple. Ignore this. I love purple. It's my favorite slime. This is my only slime, but if you watch my other video, I have a green slime. And if you're like, hey, where's your green slime? You're gonna be like, oh, I threw it in the bin. No, I'm kidding. I didn't. But I actually, you know what I did? I colored it to this color. I'm just adding foam beads inside here. Some fell. I feel like you're not supposed to be concentrating on my face. I think you're supposed to be kind of like concentrating on the slime. So I'm gonna make it like pointing towards like the most. Well, I just placed it in a completely different way and I tried not to move the foam beads at all. And I got the foam beads inside of here. Actually, I really love the texture right now because it's crunchier. Let's do the slime, Instagram slime swirl. If the people who don't know what's an Instagram slime swirl, it's just like this. I'm filming a video. Sorry, not. Now we'll just my sister. Okay. Let's make the Instagram slime swirl again. Since we had an intruder, not an intruder, but interrupter. This is impossible. It's so hard on this slime because it's sticky. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it on the ground. This is so useless. Let's try the poking. So can you guys hear that? Sorry about the background noises. Like, I know you can hear background noises. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. Turn your volume up. And I promise there's not going to be any loud voices. When I ask you to turn it down, okay? Turn it up. Turn it down. Okay, so it actually sounds really nice and I love it. Okay, I'm trying to do the slime swirl. Okay, I'm trying to do it my best on this slime. Guys, if you think I don't know how to do the slime swirl, I do. It's true. Okay. This was how the old one is, like really purple, and this is how the new one is. It's really light. So, can't see in the camera. Okay. So you can't really see this one. This is a dark one. It's not concentrated. Wait. It's dark. And I'm gonna take out some of the foam beads, like. Okay, so you can still see foam bead. Okay, so now this is a normal one, this is an odd one. You can see it the same color, but I swear it's not. Like this one's so much lighter. This one looks like gray, this one looks like dark gray. Isn't that true? It looks like gray, oh my gosh. Why does it look like gray? It looks like gray. I never knew purple was so close to gray. Oh my gosh. It's gray. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. And you see gray, but after I put water, it actually became really dark purple. I swear, I'm not playing with gray slime. Remember my slime pet poo video? You want me to keep on doing this? I know this is really annoying to you guys. Okay. So I'll be right back. Please, I do not recommend this. I'm a kid, but kids, do not try this at home. The only way you can try it is with supervision. And my mom is just out of the room, so she doesn't make really much noise while I'm filming the video. And you need hot water. Ow, ow. Okay, guys. Even I can't handle this. So I can't really touch the chopsticks right now. Okay. So just dip like your slime in it. Ow. Oh my gosh. It's actually quite soaking in. It's really hot. I'll use this chopstick. It's actually having a very good texture. Right here, everywhere, it's a very good texture. Oh my gosh. Okay. But with a chopstick on it. Okay. So I will use both of these chopsticks. I'm doing surgery right here. Please stand back. Even though you're really back, you're not even at my house. But some of my family watch my videos, so they always tease me how bad's my video, how bad's the camera. Oh my gosh, I think I just broke this line. No! No! It's really hot, but I have to bear with it. Oh no. Do not recommend this. If your slime is hard, I do recommend it. But if your slime soft, I do not recommend this at all. But the only thing I do recommend is keep on kneading it. You can use a chopstick as well, because I don't want my hands to be dirty. But now the chopsticks are part of the slime. All of us is one of the part of the slime because I'm using it with my hands. I can't pause the video because I have slime all over my hands. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so you have to keep on kneading it until 2 minutes. It's just been like a couple of seconds till I just paused the video. But it's off my hands. It's off my hands. It's actually quite working after like a few seconds, but you must keep on kneading. I'm not the best at slime, but I know a lot about slime. But yeah, I made a slime in my life, but not a lot. Okay, so it's actually quite liquid now. I do not like it at all, but I can bear with it. Wow. Okay, put your volume too loud. Actually, not that loud. Put it up to like 70. If you're wondering what 70, it's like 7 of those. Like, you know, once you press the button, there's like 1 volume consumed. This is amazing, to be honest, but the only bad part about it is like it gets stick to your hand very easily. Can you see the chopstick? It wants to be like one with the slime. Oh, it's getting sticky. It's getting sticky. But I feel like overnight it will melt. I recommend is set in a bowl for 24 hours. So like set it in a bowl with a container and top. Do not touch it for 24 hours. Like after 2 days, you're allowed to touch it again. Example, you do it at 12:30. You start at 12:30, just put it in a container. And then at the next morning at 12:30, you just take it out. Now we can't even do the bubble. But let's just get every single piece really sticky. But I managed to solve it. Yeah, that's been about 2 minutes. And it's pretty fixed. I'm gonna come back after the slime is really like fixed and all of this is clean, because if you're in my space right now, you'll be like, oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Ew, I'm a germphobe. I am. I'm back after playing it for, and it's really messy still, but yeah, we need it to be clean soon. I feel hair in the slime because I just dabbed it everywhere on the floor. So, if you want to fix your slime, I do not recommend this. Like, put activator or something in it. I just realized something. Oh my gosh. My leg has slime all over it. Did you guys see that? If you can't see it, yeah, I don't think you can see it. This one. Come on. Can it be seen? No. Yeah, it can. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this was not a very pleasant video. It was kind of cringy. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button and be a part of the Slay Squad. If you want to be a part of the Slay Squad, just click the notification button, subscribe, and give this video a like. I'm gonna be giving you guys a shout out if you comment cat right now. Pause the video, just comment cat, and then you'll be a shout out of my number. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, I already said that line. Bye.